3 minutes short. So here I am here at the caves here for a while. And I do apologize. I did have sound on this and music, but YouTube won't allow me for my previous uploads, so it got shut down. So in this case, I'm going to show you just a quick summary of where I've been to in China lately. Here in the province of Hubei, nearby Wuhan City. So here I was in this cave, and funny enough, translated from Chinese to English, it's actually called Mountain Hole. And he was at this very nice lake. It was very, very nice and very cute, but there wasn't really much going on. My first one, and this was very, very nice. It was like the fruit is called hawthorn, and the view is actually very nice. If you look here, it's kind of like what you do in kung fu movies or something. It's actually really cool. Sorry if you guys can't hear me that well. I'm actually doing this right now in the morning. Another day that me and my son went to the park with my wife. And there he is right now. He's pretty sleepy, so he's trying to catch. So I'm going to carry on. So hands was by my leg. So you have to video him, he was so cute. It was actually really wet outside that day, so I just stayed home and exercised and chilled with my family. Here's, you see my son's trying to join in workouts. What's here? So you seem to be like lips, but when you watch my son, he's trying to copy what I do. I really couldn't contain myself when I started laughing. It was very adorable. Right here. He should lift up his legs, but didn't know how. Video will be coming out towards the end of February. I promise you it's gonna be a nice one.